Good morning, Mr. Lucas. How are you this morning? You're moving all over the place. You can't say hi to the camera. Uh, uh, uh. Oh, yeah? Are you talking? What's interesting? Oh, you got a cough? Can you say hi? Hello. Are you all done? Yeah. Let's see, you are 11 weeks old today. Give one last smile.